Hi guys, welcome back to my blog. I'm Architect Studio and I would like to invite you to join me experience and visit one of the malls here in Davao City, NCCC Buhangin. Located at Kilometer 7, Tigatto Road, Buhangin, Davao City. But before that, baka makalimutan mo, please like and subscribe to my channel, Architect Studio, and hit the ring bell to be updated every time I have a new upload in my channel. The New City Commercial Corporation or NCCC Mall Buhangin, which opened last July 22, 2018, promised to give Davaoenos a better mall experience with upgraded architecture designs and more tenant available within the mall. The mall was constructed in partnership with Asia Design and DMCI Construction. This 8,100 square meters mall has a department store, supermarket, tenant, and cinemas. With nearly 1 billion pesos cost constructing this 5-story building, NCCC Mall Buhangin features a basement parking, a roof garden area, and a high-end Dolby Atmos cinemas. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's explore NCCC Mall here at Buhangin, Davao City.
Hello mga ka-generation! Please subscribe to my friend Architect Gerald Patrick on his channel, Architect Studio. God bless!